YaceYase.
If it don't make money, then it don't make sense, yeah. On the road to the riches, I was down bad, but I came up on a ticket. Getting money was a mission, I was in the dark, but the sun gon' shine. I've been working overtime, fuck taking the risk, I put it all on the line. Hey, got this all off a grind. If it don't make money, then it don't make sense, yeah. I put money over bitches, I was down bad, I was really hitting licks, yeah. Who would thought it came to this? I was tryna get paid, I was trapping out the basement. Wasn't worried about vacations, I was trapping hard while my mom was working slave shifts. I knew one day I would make it, I was tryna blow, but my niggas on the same shit. Tryna do my things, but my niggas switched the game plan. Tryna go up, but my niggas always hating. Got me running up this paper. If you don't hustle, then your pockets gon' starve. I ain't saying get a job, it's always the workers that be acting like a boss. Hey, tell me what is going on. If it don't make money, then it don't make sense, yeah. On the road to the riches, I was down bad, but I came up on a ticket. Getting money was a mission, I was in the dark, but the sun gon' shine. Hey, I've been working overtime, fuck taking the risk, I put it all on the line. Hey, got this all off a grind, all off a grind, nobody ever gave me shit, yeah. Really trapping out the kitchen, shooters by my side, they will never catch me slipping. Yeah, get you from a distance, ain't shit changed, getting money's all I know. I ain't never going broke, got a little fame and it's all off the clothes, yeah. Now it's time to show the growth. I was down on my ass, nobody ever gave me nothing. Till I came up off of hustling, got it out the mud, yeah, all my pockets bustin'. Hey, I don't know you niggas nothing, they would downplay you when you out here on the rise. Hey, I been going hard for mine, fuck taking a risk, I put it all on the line. Hey, I know my youngest going slide, so tell me what the hell when I was out here in the gym. I was chasing after hymns, just trying to keep it real, cause everybody ain't your friend. Who's really with you to the end, yeah. If it don't make money, then it don't make sense, yeah. On the road to the riches, I was down bad, but I came up on a ticket. Getting money was a mission, I was in the dark, but the sun gon' shine. Hey, I've been working overtime, fuck taking the risk, I put it all on the line. Hey, got this all off a grind, yeah.